There are 4 suspects in the Vanderbilt rape case. Tonight we know 2 and maybe more will cut deals with the state before this case even goes to trial.
News Channel 5's Nick Barris is live in the newsroom with the latest twist on a case that continues to change. Nick, defense attorneys aren't sure what to expect next, are they?
No question about that. They keep wondering what's going to happen around the next corner. Do they try to cut a deal for lighter sentences for their clients, or prepare to battle it out in what's certainly going to be a very high-profile trial? Prosecutors accuse 4 former Vanderbilt football players of raping a co-ed in this on-campus dorm last June. At least that much is certain.
Well, of course, this case is the ever-morphing case.
Attorney Fletcher Long represents Brandon Vandenberg, one of the 4 suspects. He, along with co-counsel John Herbison, have clashed repeatedly with prosecutors in court, and Long believes they are targeting his client.
But I'm afraid that this prosecution of Mr. Vandenberg, for whatever reason, has taken on a very personal bent. And I think that instead of pursuing justice, I think we are pursuing vendettas.
Prosecutors won't comment on specifics, but would likely tell you the only thing they are pursuing is justice for the victim. Warwick Robinson, attorney for suspect Corey Beatty, now says part of that strategy means cutting deals with 2 of the suspects, Brandon Banks and Jaborian McKenzie.
Yes, absolutely. I think they will be getting some type of deal, we'll call it that. And I think that absolutely they will testify against Mr. Beatty and Mr. Vandenberg.
Many of the defendants with which he would go to trial are seeking to sell Brandon's liberty for gaining their own.
Long won't rule out that all 3 of the other defendants will flip to come after his client, but he says that won't matter. After reviewing the most recent discovery provided in the case against Vandenberg, Long says it proves nothing.
I believe that the evidence in this case adduced at trial will not support that Brandon Vandenberg committed a rape on anybody.
Now, the one telltale piece of evidence that may prove that one way or the other is the supposed cell phone video shot of the alleged sexual attack inside that dorm room. All the attorneys, I understand, have now seen that video, but a gag order prevents them from talking to us about that, Vicki.
So, Nick, the trial was postponed, right?
Well, that's right. From next week. It was originally going to start next week, but it's been postponed until November 3rd. Certainly lots of time between now and then for more developments in this case. We'll keep following it. Back to you in the studio.